Look at all the snow. I can't see the road. It's a good thing it's my road, or I wouldn't know where I was going. I'm going like Mach 10 down Michigan Avenue. Woo, doggy. Boy, that's blurry. Come on. Ugh. Killing me. Turning, left turn. Actually, the snow is very, very soft and powdery and fluffy. So it is very, very easy to drive through. I think we only got about 6 inches. 4 inches? Yeah, 4 inches is about right. I'm such a dude, man. 4 inches seems like 6 inches. Alright, I have to turn my heater back on because it's starting to ice up. Not that that helps. Whoa, lots of wind. Oh my God. Oh, the wind and the rain, the wind and the rain. Oh, let's see if I don't have to stop all the way, because it sucks stopping all the way. Why? Not because I hate stop signs, but because it's hard to get going again. There we go. There. And US 23 looks like ice road truckers. Yay. Cheers.